Hi, I'm Frank Tongko. I'm from Cagayan de Oro.
And I'm Carlo Araneta from Davao City.
We are together for like 1 year and 6 months. Well, our love story began sa Siargao. Particularly sa Siargao Beach Club kay na party ba dito, and then we have common friends, and then it happened na walang sila table at kami nag-ask yung friend mo na kung pwede ba makashare sila table, and then gi-introduce din Mindua, and then from that moment wala tayo bilang and supposedly dapat muling ako Cagayan de Oro that time pagka the next day, but I extended because he asked me to stay, so moto siya. And what made us smile atong time na nag-ilang mi siguro because we felt the spark, and then we felt nga murag compatible kayo mi. So muto from that point murag happy lang ni always. Yeah.
Well, ako mag-advise lang is be true to yourself. Been struggling po before na dili ko out sa akong parents, sa akong family, but I learned to accept who I am and learn to love myself even more.
Yeah, and I think that's true. The key to really escape from that dark place is to really accept that you are imperfect. But despite of that, all of us can grow. All of us can see sunshine. And then do not limit yourself to what people tell you, because we are limitless human beings. So, I mean, sa tanang darkness sa kalibutan sa itong life, naagid na rainbow after the rain. So, have hope. Well, LA Dental really helped me to really regain my confidence, because before I became a LA baby, I was struggling with my self-esteem because I'm dealing with so many things about myself, so many insecurities. But then when I became an LA baby, they really transformed my confidence from 10 to 100. It really brings so much joy in my heart that I'm part of this family. It is a family, just not just a group. It is a family because particularly Doc Gail in maintaining our dental care and making sure that we face the world 100% confident.
But LA Dental help build my confidence because number one, yun ako insecurities ako, ang smile ako ngipon, and then Doc Gail, the LA Dental helped me to ma-uplift na ako ang self-esteem kay tungkol na
our relationship to be what it is right now, because before lisod kaayo nga kanang you are in a relationship where you are so insecure, especially sa mga kagalingon. Now that we are blessed to have confidence and we don't see things in a negative way now, especially that we can smile together, we can face the world with this beautiful smile. It helped our relationship to thrive even more. Yes. Our smile is a reflection of our love. At LA Dental Studio, we're always smile ready.